to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. Now guys, today I just want us to talk about something that has been troubling me. Okay, so as we all know, as a country, we have lost an icon, guys. We have lost a talent, like Mr. Chwene Yagaye was, I think now we call him Cobra because he nailed that role so well that it looked like it was specifically made for him. So he is an icon, he was an icon, he will remain an icon we have lost as a country. You can see by the way he was honored. A lot of celebrities were just posting him, celebrities that have worked with him, celebrities that have been friends with him. He was honored. This guy even had his own billboard, guys, his own billboard with his face, with his date and like I've never seen a celebrity that was honored like that. You know, he has been honored even on DSTV. They're playing like Amashow's Wagenje to see that we appreciate him. And now, guys, nobody's perfect. Ne? Akekho umuntu perfect. We all have our own flaws. We all have our mistakes. No one is perfect. Even our president himself, we know that. Akekho umuntu perfect. I feel like some things should just have another timing, another timing, because timing sometimes, timing sometimes, guys, in I be right. And yo, I'm so hurt by this. So there's a video of Warren Masemula going around making rounds. That video, ne, he didn't specifically say Uguti. Presley Chweneyagae was drinking alcohol, he was coming back late, he was taking salary and drinking it, buying alcohol and stuff. But the way that he said it, the way that he said it implies it implies a lot of things, guys. Some people were even going around on social media saying that those uh, what are those pages, gossip pages on Facebook. People are even going around saying, yeah, Mr. Warren Masemula said Presley Chweneyagae was poisoned, go alcohol was poisoned by someone go alcohol. And I was like, he never said that. He never said that. But the way that he said those words, that he imply a lot of things, and which I felt like, okay, now he had his own mistakes, guys, but the timing, do not speak ill of the dead. And like talking saying those things about someone that can't even defend themselves. Yo, Asana, ndihet. I know Guti, he didn't mean it in a bad way, he was just saying, kodwa nje, I feel like, yeah, 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 yeah. So you're waiting for me to die so that you can come and say things about me. I'm not saying it was bad, but like, ngishonile bra, ngishonile, kuyosiza ngani leyo advice leyo? Maybe you should have given me that advice when I was still alive. But if I'm dead, what's the use? What are you trying to do? What are you trying to achieve? Kahle kahle. Because Mr. Warren Masemula said a speech, I'm not sure if it was at the funeral or the memorial service, I'm not sure. He said something like, he said, um, alcohol is not status. He said, "Bujwala asimayemo." Alcohol is not status. Some things that are causing GBV in our community. The man comes back late, drunk, he doesn't have a salary, and then when the wife tries to question, GBV starts there. Now people are thinking, oh, Presley Chweneyagae was abusive to his wife. Yeah, bojwala asimayemo. You can't be drinking all night and coming back in the morning while you are a married man. He didn't say this exact word. I'm just summarizing the words. And then people are like, oh, this guy used to drink all night and come back in the morning. So what? So what? Like, he used to drink and come back in the morning. So what? akasekho manje ukuthi azidefende, akasekho manje. Yo, guys, no, I don't know, guys. Please leave a comment in the comment section down below. Tell me, what do you think about this whole speech? I will insert the video at the end of I will insert the video, his speech at the end, né? So that you guys can judge for yourself. But I feel like it was just too much. People are grieving, fans are grieving. It was just too much. It was too much. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Guys, please like, subscribe. I will see you on my next one.
I fought a lot. I don't understand people who don't fight with their friends or the people they claim they love. I don't just understand it. If you say you love somebody, love them fully and be there for them at every hour of their life. Ma Africa, men and women, but if you orata moto, you owe it to yourself to talk to the one that you love and say, please, may we just call it. You have children at home, go home, your family needs you. Ka 7 in the morning, and then you get home at 5 in the morning. That's 22 hours of being on the streets on drinking alcohol. Ase maemo. Re fitlhile mo lefatsheng beala bo le teng. Re fitlhile mo lefatsheng ra bonwa and re tlo bo tloela mo lefatsheng. So if you say to somebody, my friend, be careful and show love, because bojalo abo hope. Presley and I fought a lot. We fought about love, we fought over work, we fought over time, we fought over professionalism, we fought about children, we fought about our wives, we fought about family, we fought about money. We fought all the time. I remember one time, Charlene will testify, I left my house in Johannesburg coming here home to Pretoria to fetch Presley because he was a nuisance and I had to pick him up and dodge. Don't laugh. Dichomitsa tsa Stasikom base e ba le molao le ruteng bana ba lena molao le ruteng basadi ba lena molao le ben le molao le maikarabelo mo botshelong ba lena. There's something I had, sorry, I'm about to wrap it up. There's something I had on a podcast, social media. I think it was Sister Penny Lebiano who spoke about hore under apartheid, batswadi ba rena being men, na ba re ga ba fologa train or bus or taxi, mo ba fologa mo teng, there's a liquor store. So by the time when you've earned 50 rand for the month, ka 7 rand, and the children are not eating, and then there is GBV in the house because 7 rand when we know you earn 50 rand. Now fast forward, that lady, I think is Penny Libiana, speaks about it and says, now that has been transferred as energy to women. The influence